Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to compare Tinkercad and FreeCAD. Tinkercad and FreeCAD are both popular CAD tools, but they cater to different users and skill levels. Tinkercad is an easy-to-use online 3D modeling tool perfect for beginners and hobbyists. It has a simple drag-and-drop interface that makes creating 3D designs fast and intuitive. Users can combine basic shapes to build more complex models without any prior CAD experience. Since it runs in a web browser, there is no need to install software on your computer. It's widely used for learning 3D design, electronics, and basic engineering concepts. While it is limited to advanced or professional projects, it is excellent for quick prototypes and educational purposes. FreeCAD is a free and open-source 3D CAD software that offers powerful parametric modeling tools. It allows users to go back and edit previous steps, making design changes easy and flexible. The software is highly customizable, which is great for engineers, makers, and hobbyists who want to control more. FreeCAD supports complex projects, assemblies, and precise measurements for professional-level work. Its interface can feel less polished and may take time to learn, especially for beginners. The strong open-source community provides tutorials, forums, and resources to help users get started. Overall, Tinkercad is best for beginners and simple projects, while FreeCAD is better for advanced designs and professional-level flexibility. Thank you everyone for watching this video. Hope you guys value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe. Goodbye.